Hi everyone, and welcome to the CRM Trainer. My name is Tabish Alam, and today I will explain what a lead is, specifically in the context of Zoho CRM. What is a lead? Many people get confused as to what a lead is. Not only do they not understand the traditional definition of a lead, but also how and when a lead is to be used. So let's give you the textbook definition. A lead is a contact or organization which could potentially become a customer for your goods or services. This definition, although technically correct, can confuse people when they try to put it into practice. I will be using the Zoho CRM to explain how a lead should be used. A lead is a type of record. It exists in the leads module. However, there is also an organization and a contacts module again. So this definition has confused a lot of people. The important thing to note is that a lead is not yet a customer, or even a serious prospect of becoming one yet. There is an important differentiator between people who exist in the leads module and people in the contact and organization modules. A lead in Zoho CRM can contain three parts: a person's details, the organization they work for, this is only for B2B, and the information on the product or service that they are interested in. In order for a lead to become a serious prospect, they must get qualified. Qualification is the process of identifying if the lead is worth pursuing to turn them into a customer or even a prospective customer. In my upcoming videos, I will be outlining some common qualification processes you can use in order to help you identify when a lead is ready for progressing or converting. As mentioned earlier, a lead is made up of three parts. This means that after the conversion of the lead, it is split up into three records. These are contacts, organizations, and a deal or opportunity. This means a lead is actually an unqualified opportunity. Let's go through a few scenarios to help explain when to create a lead record and when not to. Okay, scenario 1. A lead doesn't exist. A contact doesn't exist. The best practice is to create a lead. This is because it is a new inquiry with no existing records in the CRM system. Okay, the second scenario. A lead does exist. A contact or opportunity does not exist. What is the best practice action here? Well, it's to update the existing lead with some new details or create a new lead. Why? Well, an inquiry has already been logged in the system. This could either be a duplicate inquiry or a new product or service the prospect is interested in. So a simple update to the lead should work in this case. So the third scenario. Does a lead exist? No. Does a contact exist or an opportunity? Yeah. Well, what do we do in this case? What is the best practice action? Well, you should not actually be creating a lead in this case. Instead, you should create a new opportunity against the existing contact. The contact or organization inquiring has previously gone through the qualification process, and therefore they've been converted into a contact. Even if they didn't successfully turn into a customer, This means that a new opportunity needs to be created. This type of prospect essentially skips being a lead. What are the common mistakes and misconceptions of a lead? Well, the first one is that a lead has missing information, specifically missing communication details. I don't believe it's a real lead if you have no real way of following it up. So make sure you have either an email address or a phone number. Another common mistake is ill-defined lead statuses, which do not actually represent your pre-qualification processes. Creating leads for an existing contact. This shouldn't happen if you use the search function to check if the record already exists. A scenario where this may be unavoidable is if you have a web form connected to your CRM system and entries to the web form automatically create a lead. If you have this scenario, then I have some Zoho script code which automatically converts that lead and links it to the existing contact, as well as automatically creating the opportunity as well. Now, the fourth common mistake is incomplete conversion mapping for the lead record. Now, once a lead converts, it is actually gone. It splits it into potentially 3 records: the contact, account, and opportunity or deal. If the field mapping for this is incorrect, any unmapped fields between those modules will have the values vanish forever. There is no way of getting those back. What are the components of a lead record? The first part is the lead information, or the inquirer's details here. The second part is the communication information, where you can see email addresses and phone numbers. The third component is the qualification information, also known as the customer's requirements. The fourth is address information and profiling details such as industry if you want to hold it there, but you could hold it anywhere else. Sometimes people hold it in the inquirer's details as well. Another part of a lead is the notes section, where you can hold multiple notes and they are searchable. The attachments is another component of a lead record. The emails to the lead record only works if you have your email in the communication section up here and you have your emails synchronized up with the CRM system. So it works in 2 parts. So if you have your emails synced with the CRM system via Gmail or Outlook or whatever it might be, then those emails against this email address will get automatically listed in this section. Also, if you send an email from the CRM system and you don't have your emails synchronized up with the CRM system, then the emails from the CRM system will also be stored in this location. Another component is the follow-up activities. They could be the events, tasks, or calls. These components are dependent on your requirements. Each business can be assessed on an individual basis regarding what data they need to capture at the lead stage. So, that is a lead. Let's have a quick recap. Check if you need to create one based on if the contact already exists. Use the search feature to find out. Ensure you have captured all the details in order to follow it up. Progress through the qualification process and decide if they are serious enough to be converted. Ensure the fields are mapped between the lead, contact, account, and the deal or opportunity record. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe for more content and leave me a comment below if you have any questions.